Hey guys, this is Jam online.ph, and today mag-unbox naman ulit tayo ng isa pang drone, and this one is the Flying Toys X52 HD. So this one is bigger compared to the other drones na in-unbox natin a while ago. So first things first, let's talk about the specifications ng X52 HD. So the X52 HD comes in 0.3 megapixels or 2 megapixels camera. So of course, mas mura yung 0.3 megapixels, which is at 2698. Samantala yung 2 megapixels is 2898. So I suggest that you get the 2 megapixels instead of the 0.3 megapixels because it's just 200 pesos. And malaking difference na siya when it comes to quality. And of course, we got here the colors, which is red, black, and white. So it's up to you kung ano gusto nyo. The charging time is 70 to 80 minutes, while the flying time is 6 to 8 minutes. The battery is 3.7 volts with 750 milliamperes. There's a 6-axis gyro and a 2.4 gigahertz frequency. So aside doon, meron tayong gravity sensor, meron tayong altitude hold, a 360-degree rollover, 1 key automatic flight, throwing, flight, hovering control with LED. And of course, meron tayong kasamang application na madadownload nyo sa App Store or sa Play Store. So yan, i-unboxan natin si X52 HD. Again, if you are interested in this one already, kahit di pa natin na-unbox, you can check this one out at Steve Kyle Marketing Corporation at Lazada. And we have a voucher below. So in case gusto nyo siyang bilhin, meron tayong voucher sa baba. You can check out the description. Makakuha kayo ng discount sa Lazada once you use the voucher. So yeah. So balik tayo sa unboxing. So as you can see here, we got here the operation manual, which is English here, Chinese on the other side. So lagay ko lang yung box sa baba. Yan. So meron din tayo dito instruction manual. We also got here Propeller Guards, and thankfully meron tayong landing na parang feet para in case na gagamitin niyo yung camera, mamaya makikita niyo yung camera niya. And then of course we got here the camera. Yeah, so watch ang webcam. Here's the clip for the controller, and lalagay niyo dito yung smartphone niyo in case you want to use the application. Ito kasama to dun sa camera na mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya nilalagay, and it's kind of frustrating actually. Then of course we got here the Propeller Guards along with I guess this is the charger. Let's see. So we got here sorry, it's not propeller, the propellers mismo. There are 4 propellers na kasama for free in case masira mo siya. But don't worry, there's a propeller guard kasama dito. I believe this one is, I guess this one is the charger. Mamaya malalaman natin kung paano siya i-charge. And then, the screwdriver, okay? Lagyan na natin lahat sa side. Then, of course, we got here the remote control. It's actually hindi siya papahaba. Papalong ko lang yan. When it comes to battery, we got here 4 quadruple AA batteries. So, papalit yun. It's actually 4 AA batteries dito. And control is actually just really simple. Though yung design niya is medyo techy the thing. This is actually buttons. Niloloko niya, hindi siya buttons. Then of course we have here the different functions. I believe this is the location, landing, yung pagtaas niya, stop. I'm not sure what this is. Medyo check out natin. We also got here some switch. I'm not sure what these are. We have some mga switches dito. So I believe this one's for the strafe yata. Strafe left, strafe right. Then we also got here the flip, which is the shoulder buttons. The analog is over here. So yan, mamaya bubuksan natin siya. Yan, so hindi natin siya bubuksan pala. So nakaplatan natin. So again, there's no included battery in this one, similar to the other drones. And on the other side is actually the drone. Okay, so this is the flying. So, natin muna sa side. And let's talk about the drone. So as you can see here, we got here the drone. Very neat, very simple. Though it's plastic, it's kind of glossy. I actually don't like the feel of this one. It's very, very different compared to the drones that we unboxed before. It was kind of cheap, but again, we do have a better controller to this one. I believe this one is better when it comes to design, user-friendly wise. Mas gusto ko to. When it comes to propeller, it's actually solid. This one, though, the plastic, the build, the quality, I'm not sure about it. And here's the interesting part about this drone. It's the camera. It's actually not user-friendly when it comes to camera because medyo complicated siya. You need to actually use this one. May rubber thingy. Papasok niyo isang cable. Papasok dyan. And yan. So, papalo ko siya. Ilalagay siya ganyan. Iipit ko siya. Kailangan na iipit siya. So, kailangan siya iipit sa ilalim. Sala, baliktad tayo. Actually, baliktad pa ilagay ko. Kailangan ipasok siya ng ganyan. Focus. Yun. Okay. Wow. Successful. So, hindi pa tapos yung kalbaryo natin. Once ilagay natin to, you actually need to slide this one sa ilalim. So, it's kind of complicated that you have this. Yeah. So, yan. So, na-slide ko siya. Pero syempre, hindi naman pwedeng mag-land ka na camera only. You need this feet. So, yan. Kailangan yung paa. Which is hindi na natin malalagay kasi, well, actually, kung lalagay natin, medyo matagal, medyo hassle. Because you actually need yung screws na included dito. There are actually 4 screws. Yan. I-screw nyo pa yung paa niya dito. Ayan. So, meron siyang paa dito. Yan. Lalagay siya dito. Which is actually, medyo hassle siya. Kasi hindi sakto yung butas niya. Palagi, actually, ito pera tayo. Ipalitin niya talaga. Yan. So, kailangan ilagay yung, my God, this is first dirty. Yan. So, medyo hassle yung paglagay ng feet ng drone niya. Hindi natin ilalagay. Hindi naman naman papali pa rin. Sobrang frustrating niya. It takes time. So, once malagay niyo na, please, don't take it off. And sobrang hassle yun. It will actually take me a lot of time bago malagay yun. So, it takes patience, hard work, blood and sweat para malagay yung feet niya. And then, of course, hindi pa tayo tapos dito sa camera kasi we need to plug this one sa drone. So, there's a 2 ports dito. We have here, a port here, and then another one here. Siguro yung isa is for data, the other one is control or something. We're not sure. But you have to place yung kanyang isang port dito, which is here. So, sana tama lang yung paglagay natin. So, nalagay natin isa. Meron pa tayong lalagay dito ng isa. Just hassle. So, I suggest that you plug in first yung mas maliit na port compared to sa other one na mas malaki. So, para hindi niya siya mabuhol-buhol. And, yun. Let's turn on yung kanyang camera. So, before that, actually, pag wala kang battery, again, we have here the USB, the port, para flash drive. It's actually not a flash drive, okay, guys? So, meron tayong compartment sa likod na kung saan kukunin niyo yung yan. And you actually have to place this one here. Then, charge yourself. So, ang hassle niya, honestly, ang hassle niya na you have this kind of charging. And actually, I don't know why there are 2 ports here. So I guess, yeah, so, iwalay pa pala, sorry. So this one is actually for the battery. There are 2 ports like that. So may 2 ports tayo. And this one is for charging in case wala kayong battery yan. Saksak pa na problema. Saksak. Pero once na na-charge na siya, you have the battery ready. You need to connect the battery doon sa mismong connection sa drone, which is over here, the other port. Yan. So it's actually a hassle for me that ganito pa yung structure ng drone niya na hirap din tanggalin yung camera. Sisira ko siya, honestly. Sisira ko siya. And meron pa tayong compartment which is may chance na masira once na crash mo siya. The build quality, I'm not a fan of it. Pero, again, controller, I like the controller of this one. Actually, turning it on and off, madali lang. Meron tayong on and off dito. And it seems na walang charge. Ang drone, so you have to charge it actually. So yeah, this is the drone na in-unbox natin from Full-Aim Toys, and it's the X52 altitude hold drone. It's not the best drone that I've unboxed today. Doesn't have the best build quality. The camera though, I like the camera, pero sobrang hassle na kailangan mo pang i-build ng ganito. Pero once na ma-build mo na siya lahat, including the feet, I think wala ka na magiging problema. Pero again, you have to build everything. I mean, ay hindi siya lahat. And I'm pretty sure na pwede mo i-adjust yung kanyang camera, which is really good sa mga maybe mga pictures or video. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing hands-on of the X52 from Flying Toys drone. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, jump online.ph, and thanks for watching unboxing hands-on of the X52 quadcopter drone.